Welcome to Steel Tech Limited. We are a foundry that produces stainless steel castings for heat treat companies and steel mills. We are committed to operating an environment where your safety is our top priority. As a foundry, there are unique safety considerations that you should be aware of as you work here and move through the facility. This video will cover safety considerations for the snag grinder and the swing grinder. Great care should be exercised around these pieces of equipment. They are very dangerous. The hazards associated with a snag grinder and swing grinder are noise from the machine, dust that contains silica from the grinding wheel, flying pieces of metal as the grinder grinds the material, explosion of the grinding wheels, and pinch points between the wheel and the guard. Personal protective equipment required for operating the snag grinder and the swing grinder include metatarsal steel-toed safety boots, safety glasses, face shield, gloves, respirator with a 6005 cartridge and dust filter, leather apron, and earplugs. Remember, safety first. Grinding wheels are easily damaged if they are bumped or dropped. That is why it is so important to carefully store and handle them. Check all wheels when they are received and before using them. Store grinding wheels in an area that is dry and protective against damage from impact, solvents, high humidity, and extreme heat or cold. Arrange grinding wheels so the older ones will be chosen before the newer ones. Never roll a wheel on its edge, as it may absorb oil or dirt from the floor and can get damaged. To ensure the wheels are mounted properly, a Steel Tech maintenance technician will mount the wheel for you. It is important to follow these safe work practices. Wear proper eye protection. Wear a face shield. Wear hearing protection. Never wear loose clothing, ties, rings, or other jewelry. Keep long hair in a hairnet. Before using a wheel, make sure that both guards on the wheel are 1/8 of an inch away from the wheel. There is a lower guard that is even with the center of the wheel and an upper guard at the 11 o'clock position. Both must be adjusted so that they are 1/8 of an inch away from the grinding wheel. If it is not, turn off and lock out the machine and then adjust the guard. Before using the wheel, make sure that the location of the guard is above the horizontal center line of the wheel. Stand to one side of the wheel when first turning on the power. Let the machine run at full speed for 1 minute while everyone stands clear. Bring the workpiece slowly and smoothly in contact with the wheel. Don't bump the wheel. Don't force work against the wheel so hard that the motor slows down excessively. Don't side grind on the flat side of the wheel. Don't adjust the work rest while the wheel is moving. If the snag grinder appears to be defective or unsafe, report the problem immediately to your supervisor. Never operate a wheel at speeds above the manufacturer's recommendation. Dispose of the damaged wheels immediately. Do not take them home. And keep the work area around the machine clear. When using the swing grinder, it is important to follow these safe work practices. Wear proper eye protection. Wear a face shield. Wear hearing protection. Respirator with the 6005 cartridges and dust filters. Metatarsal boots. An apron, gloves, and sleeves. Never wear loose clothing, ties, rings, or other jewelry. Keep long hair in a hairnet. Before using the swing grinder, make sure the guard is adjusted so it covers the wheel, and adjust the height of the grinder so that the wheel is level with the surface of the part being worked. Secure the part to the ground so it does not move during the grinding process. Let the machine run at full speed for 1 minute while everyone stands clear. Bring the workpiece slowly and smoothly in contact with the wheel. Don't bump the wheel. Don't force work against the wheel so hard that the motor slows down excessively. Don't adjust the wheel guard while the wheel is moving. If the swing grinder appears to be defective or unsafe, report the problem immediately to your supervisor. Never operate a wheel at a speed above the manufacturer's recommendation. Dispose of damaged wheels immediately. Do not take them home. And keep the work area around the machine clear. Remember, your safety at work is our top priority. If you have any questions about safe operation of the snag grinder or swing grinder, please ask your supervisor or any member of the management team. Remember, safety first.